didn't even get to cross.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this Mutant X-Men Mystique look and turning into a mutant. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. So for this look, what I've already done is I took some of this Elmer's glue. This one's the purple glitter glue. It's pretty clear though. And I just made little dots and lines all over this area, and my forehead. You can see, and I'm just waiting for that to dry. To dry it a little faster is just use my hair dryer.
Rooting hard till I might be big in a game like.
So now I think all of those scales are pretty dry. So I'm just gonna have a cup of water that I wet my beauty blender in, and I'm gonna take this face paint kit right here and go into the deep blue.
Hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon.
Look like Avatar.
I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When that's enough, then I just have to leave. Shoot.
I'm just gonna drag that color kind of into the inner corner and up high, almost all the way to the brow.
Yeah, shoot.
And now I'm just gonna put some of that on my lower lash line.
Yeah, shooting.
And I'm gonna take my black liner and just line my waterline. And then I'm just going to shade the scales a little bit. I'm going to try out using this purple, it's like a deep purple metallic color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Bling Boss palette.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So I just put some red spray paint in my hair. I didn't do it all the way back, but once I'm ready to go, then I'm gonna put it like in all through the whole hair and get this blue all down my chest. But it was actually a pretty easy look because I don't actually have to do like all my foundation and contour and everything. It was super quick and you don't have to be like super neat and tidy with it. I just need to get the yellow contacts to pop in. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you would like to see next. And I'll see you guys next time.